everybody. It is Fabulous Friday, June 17th. Can you believe it? Let me put on my earphones and we'll get started right away. Wow, the time has changed, hasn't it? The market has changed. We have 45 days of inventory. I haven't seen that in a long time. Just 2 months ago, we were like 15, 18 days. So things have rapidly changed, and we're finding that 5,698 homes in our available zip codes around Vegas. That doesn't include Pahrump, that doesn't include Boulder City, and it doesn't include Mesquite. So just North Las Vegas, Henderson, and the greater Las Vegas city and in Clark County. But again, not all of Clark County. Anyway, we have listed 229 homes. When have you seen that? 229 homes, and 70 of those were 485,000 or under. Yay, that's fantastic. So now we have 1,415 homes under 485 and under. So that's fantastic. You put 67 under contract yesterday. You closed 76. And that for the month of June means we are closing 110 homes a day compared to our annualized rate this year of 124. So how we get to the 45 days is we divide the 5,698 by the 124 for the homes. Let's see. Yeah, but not sure what that is. There's Karen. Oh my goodness, Karen. Thank you so much. I missed you. I'm sure it's been a ride, huh? It's been a ride. And we're in for some different times, to say it optimistically.